Is how to fix if mail app not working on your iPhone. If your iPhone mail app not working, here are the fixes. Tap on settings and go to mail app of your iPhone and tap on accounts and fetch new data and turn on push services and set fetch as automatically and check your mail app is working or not. Thereafter, allow mail to access cellular data, turn the toggle button on. The next workaround to fix this issues iPhone mail app not working is tap on settings again and here look for general tab and iPhone storage and check your iPhone storage is available or not, and iPhone storage must a space. Thereafter go to back and again tap on general, go to settings, tap on mail app and go to account and check whether one single account your mail app is associated, either iCloud or Gmail. Go to sign out option, sign out and again sign in mail app, iCloud. Sometimes sign out and sign in may fix the issues mail app not working on your iPhone. That's all.